how to apply for a student loan with Discover Bank on desktop. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you need funds for college, well here is how to apply for a Discover student loan on desktop. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Discover Bank. And now here from the search result, just click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Discover Bank. Now here you simply have to log in using your credentials and once logged in from the top menu, you simply have to click student loans and then choose undergraduate or graduate depending on your program. And there you can just click apply now and fill in details like loan amount, school information, and personal financial info. And with that, you need to review your estimate interest rates, monthly payments, and loan terms before proceeding. And once you're done with it, you simply have to submit the application along with any required documents to verify your identity and enrollment. And once submitted, Discover will review your application and notify you of your eligibility. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a student loan with Discover Bank on desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.